All right. Like I said, I'm a man of my word. Today, Monday, I'm getting ready to mail out my tax papers and asking for a federal and a state audit for Jake's Grill and Shorty's Pit Beef from 2007, 2008, 2009. I'm out $2.6 million. I was grossing $260,000 a year. I had sole proprietorship. Nobody had the right to my property. Nobody had a right to run that business while I was locked up in jail. It's called a vulnerable individual law. All right? I never signed any checks. The business was ran. We're going to go to Paul Weinblatt's office. We're going to go to the comptroller's office, and we're going to see how the state participated in the fraud. We're going to name the judges, the lawyers, and the politicians that knew and did nothing about it. This toilet was the toilet from Towson. That's the Towson toilet. All right? This was the toilet that I was talking about, Jake, and the cases. All right? Those were the cases. It was cities, county, state, and federal levels. It was about that case in Towson, Maryland. It was about my property on Falls Road. That's what this toilet was about. But the media lied and the police lied and they told you it was a bomb. No, it was a prop for a movie. Jake signed the movie release for this, all right? Jake and Jim got a movie release. They signed the movie release. So all this is in it, all right? Like I said, that's the original toilet. Since y'all locked me up for a toilet, I'm gonna turn the toilet into I'm gonna turn the negative into a positive. I'm entering my toilets in the art contest and using it as art and activism. I'm showing that blacks have no rights in America, which white America has respect. I am Dred Scott. And I'm showing the role that the media plays in this, like Don Lemon, Soledad O'Brien, CNN, national news networks. Anything I gotta say, we're gonna say it in court. Judge Cox gonna get it, Governor Hogan got it, and Sessions is in it. Jeff Sessions is in this video. Jeff Sessions is in the movie. Because I went to the Senate, the Congress. I went to Washington, D.C., to the Department of Justice. It's the Minority Report. It's about being black and white America. It's called Potty Training Politicians. And I use the outhouse to out y'all. MySpace, YouTube, and Twitter. I've been doing this for a long time. President Obama asked for an investigation. That's President Obama. I've been doing it since Bush was president. That's a Privacy Act. Filming a documentary. That's Senator Barbara Mikulski. See the date? That's 2009. That's a Privacy Act. See the date? 2015. So that's 6 years I've been doing this. That's the Maryland Black Caucus. That's John Cardin's, Office of Delegate John Cardin's. You see the date of that? That's 2009. So before I put this toilet in front of Towson, I told you politicians what the toilet was about. It was about your prison industry. It was about the laws that y'all write to enslave the black community. The laws that you write to enslave the black community. The original message, John Cardin's, Bobby Zirkin. You feel me? That's the judiciary committees. You see the date? 2009. Long before I got locked up, I was talking to Bobby Zirkin and Cardin's about this, all right? That's Bobby Zirkin. See that? That's Delegate John Cardin's. Y'all been writing the laws and y'all got evidence to prove my innocence, and you're gonna have to produce that to the governor. All right? Like I said, I got my shit together. That's page 1 or 2. Because I got a whole lot more emails from 2009. That's the ACLU. That's my file number at the ACLU. And that's my lawyer. All right? That's the ACLU. That's the ACLU. See that? 2015. Elijah Cummings. Elijah Cummings left me in jail in Illinois and Maryland. Elijah Cummings was part of this because Elijah Cummings is a black signature that writes these laws that enslave the black population under the 13th Amendment. You're helping mass incarceration. All right? Clearly states what I want to do, I want to testify. Let me testify in front of the Congressional Judiciary Committee. The right to testify in Washington, D.C. Congressman Cummings. That's why you banned me from your office. because this documentary was about you. This toilet was about you in mass incarceration and the role that the media plays in it. WJZ, Fox 45. I got my paperwork together. That's Congressman Cummings' office. Prison industry. I'm a whistleblower. See that? That's 2007 when I started this. Blagojevich went to jail, so can Cummings. You received this information. You signed for it. I'm a whistleblower. I made sure that y'all signed for it and gave me your information because I want to show the role that our government plays in mass incarceration. The emails are clear. This is the cover letter, all right? That's Ronald Davis from the Department of Justice, all right? That's me in the Baltimore block, because the Baltimore block been doing this too. We've been exposing what's been going on here in Baltimore. President Obama, Chief Justice Roberts, Speaker of the House. That's what I do for a living. My activism is my job, and that's Internal Affairs Division. All right, my IAD report when I say I came for protection, when I reported the corruption, when I named the police, when I named the politicians, when I did what I did. That's the Senate office. So whistleblowers investigation. All right. See that? Oh, dropping my shit. All right. And Stephanie Rawlins Blake got this. I'm part of the Creative Alliance, Office of Promotions and Arts. Like I said, Office of Promotions and Arts. And WJZ is in the middle of this. When I file this, when this movie come out, all this is legal. No law against making a movie. And then when I file a lawsuit, everybody that's involved, I'm gonna name you publicly. I am Dred Scott. I want all my property back. I want all people involved held accountable. Dog, we can do it the easy way or the hard way. But I'm going through the courts. I'm gonna make sure everything is public and visibly transparent. We're gonna show the role that the media plays in Baltimore Sun, how long they've been knowing. We're gonna look for Julie Sharper from December the 10th, 2010. I want Julie Sharper to talk about the retirement party at Miss Welch's retirement party. We're gonna talk about the Baltimore Sun, how long they've been hiding the truth. Judge Cox gonna get all of this. Hogan got it. I want to audit, because we going all the way.